So here is the Marival Distinct in Puerto Vallarta, and right when you walk through the front door you see this beautiful view, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But first of all, you go to the left and here's the beautiful bathroom, one of the two bathrooms with all of the lovely products, sink and shower and a hook for your bathrobe. Then you come across here. Oh, and in here is laundry, which is really handy if you need that. Then across here is a bedroom with two beds, really big, lovely linens, another closet, and a television. We go back out, and then we have the beautiful room, the living area, with a TV, lovely sitting area, dining area, and the kitchen is wonderful. Greeting with a bottle of wine and some strawberries. And we pan around again. And we go through this door right here. And this is another bedroom with a big bed and television, bedside table. We'll get to the view in a minute. Remember these doors because those have something fun behind them. Here's the other bathroom with two sinks, which is really nice, and the shower. Remember those doors. Here's what's there. It's a bathtub. And you can open the doors and look out into the room and to the view. So you come out, here's more closet space. Walk through here. Here's the view. And here's the outside space with the view of the pool. Lovely chairs to sit. And a lovely place to eat too. You can see off in the distance the sailboats. What a beautiful place.